If you want to mirror the screen of your OPPO Find X9 to another device, then in that case we want to open Settings. There we go. Now we can choose Cross-Device Connectivity, and then in here in a device connection we can just choose Screencast. Now we have the option to search for display devices. We also have some settings in here. We need to agree to audio recording, to location, photos and videos, and then audio files, and then we can press agree and continue in order to be able to proceed. Then we also have to agree to search for nearby devices and notifications. There we go. Now we are searching for display devices such as TVs, projectors, and so on and so forth. Make sure that you are using the same Wi-Fi to be able to find your TV, for example, and then we can select it from this list over here. And that's pretty much it. You can also go to the control center over here, or quick settings, and in here you might be able to find the screencast option as well. So you can just tap on this button to quickly search for other displays in here as well. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.